This is how fire was invented. It was just 3 MP5 suppressors rubbing together. This is how fire was invented. It was just 3 MP5 suppressors rubbing together.
In the beginning, y'all had me the Remington repeating rifle. Yeah. They're fogging my socket. In the beginning, y'all had made the Remington repeating rifle shit. So, yeah. I should have went to get an Xbox so I can run it and show my goggles. It's very hard to take them off, I still can't see shit. So,
Just get prescription.
I should have went to get an Xbox system so I can run it and show my goggles. It was fogging up.
Just get prescription glasses.
These are ugly.
I have prescription glasses. I love this one. It was fogging up.
I didn't spend anything on these. Insurance. Alright, Jeff Holler. Mama, you want to take point or?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
What's the ball? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. Devin, I got left. Devin, I got left. You got right?
He's gonna throw a grenade over here.
Oh, for sure.
It'll be fun while after.
At least we got 1 kill. We got 2. Oh, 2. We got 2 kills. Here they come left side.
Left side? Left?
Okay. Here they come left side.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
War crime right there.
Huh?
That was a war crime. Right there.
Huh?
That was a war crime.
Doesn't matter if he's already dead.
It's all making sure.
5 minutes remaining.
Sebastian, what do you want to say that as? What do you want to say that as? Sebastian, what do you want to say that as? He hit me at the end after I put like maybe 20, 25 in him. I mean, he hit me at the end after I put like maybe 20, 25 in him. I'm bad, I'm sorry. I'm bad, I'm sorry.
Game over.
Fire and light up at the dead box. That is game over. See fire and light up at the dead box. That is game over. Great job, guys. Good game. Good game. See fire and light up at the dead box.
I did hit him though, didn't I?
I couldn't really tell.
Okay.
It's dark.
Okay.
You're BB.